Hello everyone, our today's recipe is protein pancakes and the ingredients for this recipe are 2 egg whites and 1 yellow part, 1 banana, oats, peanut butter, milk and protein powder. Now take a grinder and add eggs, then half a banana, half cup oats, milk, and 3/4 scoop of protein powder. Now add half tablespoon peanut butter. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of it as I like the flavor of peanut butter in my pancakes. Now mix all the ingredients in the grinder properly. The batter for the pancakes is now ready. Let's start preparing pancakes now. Spread a few drops of olive oil on the pan and spread the batter carefully. After some time, you will see bubbles on the top of the pancake. Now this is the time to flip it and cook it on the other side. Our protein pancakes are now ready. Enjoy the healthy treat and do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more such videos and updates from our channel. Thank you.